In this lesson, we will learn how to write control programs to customize network control. We will review the operation of a hub and a learning switch. Then we will explore how to use the POX controller to create a simple mininet topology. And then we will explore how to customize the POX controller to perform two types of network control. As a review, when a host sends a packet to a hub, the hub maintains no state about which output port a packet should be forwarded to reach a particular destination. Therefore, the hub simply forwards the input packet on every output port. In POX, this code is fairly simple. When the controller starts, it adds a listener that listens for a connection up, which is a connection from a switch. When the switch connects, it simply sends an OpenFlow flow modification back to the switch that says flood all packets out every output port. The first function here in bold creates the OpenFlow message, and the second sends that message back to the switch. In contrast, a learning switch maintains a switch table that's initially empty, but when a packet arrives on input port 1, the switch creates a table that associates host A with output port 1, such that whenever a subsequent packet is destined for destination A, the switch knows to forward the packet via output port 1. I won't show you the full Python code here, but it's fairly simple and you can go look at the POX distribution to see the learning switch example. As before, when the first packet arrives at the switch, it is diverted to the controller. At this point, the controller maintains a hash table that maps the address to the output port. When it sees that first packet from host A, it updates the address and port table. If the packet's a multicast packet, the controller makes a decision to flood that packet on all output ports. Likewise, if there's no table entry for the destination for that packet, the controller also instructs the switch to forward the packet on all output ports. If the source and destination address are the same, the controller instructs the switch to drop the packet. Otherwise, the controller installs the flow table entry corresponding to that destination address and output port. Installing that flow table entry in the switch prevents future packets for that flow from being redirected to the controller. Rather, all subsequent packets on that flow can be handled directly by the switch, since it now knows which output port to send a packet for that particular destination.